Okay, good morning. Back to work. Before I go back to the bathroom or anything else, I need to fix the door of the carport. Lily's made a mess of it and she managed to escape during the night. And we want her to stay with her puppies. So let's fix that first. Won't take long. See what I mean? Jen put some cardboard, but that's not gonna work. So I gotta redo this properly or add some more. I got heaps of Hardy Flex around, I can do that. In the meantime, they're all here having fun, running around. I'm gonna cut this to size. Yeah.
Go up, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
I go up.
Finish, I can get up. Go, miss. What's this? You got something there?
It's the vacuum.
Oh. Oh my God. Just put one in the bottom now. And that's it. Yeah, you disappointed, huh? Okay, that's it. It's only temporary. I know it's not very professional, but at least prevent Lily to go out and leave her puppies unattended. She's good, but sometimes she wants to go and find love, and we cannot allow that. Alright, where are they? There's one here. I know where the rest are. They're hiding somewhere here behind the bench. And the rest are there. And there's one which probably, oh, here, under the meal. Oh, two under the meal. Okay. Have a good sleep. I'll leave you alone now. Okay, Jem just ordered, we received a vacuum cleaner, which is good. We can use for the car and some places around the house. So she wants me to put this together.
No.
Bella.
You're gonna scratch the wall.
Always doing naughty things. Last night she woke me up. She went on top of the bed and played with my feet and my toes. And wake me up.
There are many.
Okay, let's have a look.
Can you slide?
That's it. Just like that.
It's plug. That's right.
It's alright? But you don't have carpet.
In the car.
Yeah, the car, I don't really use this one. Just a smaller one like this, something like that.
We need to try.
Yeah, connect and try. Already work hard. can't sleep with this girl. Right? Yay! Run, 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 run. And this is probably to open this and empty. Yeah. Okay? So when you finish the car, you do this to take off and
You clean the car.
yeah.
This one.
Body spoiled.
Need to clean
You
here.
have to be tough with her. Alright. A few things done this morning now.
No.
It's rainy, so I'm not gonna work on the pump.
Daddy,
I'm gonna get wet.
my hair.
I know I want to wait a little while for the towels, but
Can you hold for me?
if they come off, I will put them back. And somebody told me to use vinyl glue. Apparently, it works very, very well. Yeah. Good, huh? Oh yeah. You need skates.
Done.
You'll be a little bit apprehensive. Yeah, you can do all the spider web and what have you. Ah! Is it strong?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's it. Yeah, it's a nice windy, rainy day. Oh well. Okay, I had some issue with the tiles, and I show you a few clips of what happened, and then I'll show you how I went about it, and how I will go from now on, which is much better way of doing it. But anyway, before I explain to you all this, let's have a look at those clips. Okay, just an update. Today is Saturday. Yesterday we went shopping all day, so we didn't do nothing. I'll just see how the tiles going now. They all look pretty good, except this one left here. That's towards the top, just here. Maybe it wasn't pushed properly, so I'll give it another go like that and see what happens. But anyway, I'm not going to do any more for quite a few days and see how we go. All the rest is pretty hard. It's pretty good. So I think that pressing them is very important. Very important. So maybe I missed that one at the top. Maybe I just put on position. And then I came down to cut the other one, and I forgot to do the one at the top there. I didn't press them hard, so it could be that, because everywhere else is fine. But let's wait another few days, see how we go. Yeah, brown out at the moment, no lights. Okay, we'll come back tomorrow morning and check again. Okay, one of my viewers said to use a BAL, B-A-L. I don't know exactly what it is, but I was trying to think to find something similar here, maybe that I would think is similar with the job, because what I've done is I bought this vinyl glue, and I intend to put on the wall and put those tile in. So that's what I did. And I show you the two towels. You remember they were loose. Yeah, those two there were loose. I tell you what, they're bloody pretty good now. I can't take off. It's really, really hard. Nicely set. And we could almost use as a grout. So I'm going to do that here, and I'm going to show you how I want. I'm going to do the 3 next tiles and show you how I did it. Let's do that. You see the bend, so you can still adjust them a little bit. This is good. So this to go a bit higher. This one too. Yeah, take out the excess. Make sure the next tile you have nothing. I think this is good. I think this is the way to do. If I got some more tiles coming up, lifting, I will do again. I will put them back doing this. If they don't, well, so be it. But if not, I can fix them like I did. Maybe I should have done that before. It's okay, we're learning, I'm learning, and it's good. Okay, I've checked all the tiles and just saw those two here. You can see it's a bit yellowish because I put the glue, and they're really good now. I can feel they really stick really well. I'm happy. So that's it. I'm going to continue tiling, do it this way. So the only problem, you still have to keep pressing it from time to time. Just make sure it sits flat. That's the only problem. That's okay. Yeah, I like it. I feel confident now. I know it may take a few more days to see more tiles lifting up, but it's okay. If it does, I will fix them like this. Because this is working, this is the way to go. Especially the walls, I guess. Apparently, vinyl tiles are not meant to go on the walls. So you're going to go into that little extra. And then it doesn't matter if you got small holes or little defect, it's okay, because that glue will fill up all those holes and cavity, a little defect, so it's good. That's the way to do. Okay, I'm happy. Happier. I'm happy. So we'll see in the next few days. Bella is brushing her teeth before going out. We're going to a restaurant to celebrate our second wedding anniversary. And Jam got pretty sexy there. Woo! Uh-oh.
What's in there? Something sticky.
No. Let's go. Okay, we arrived. Oh, so serious. Yep, thank you.
Oh, copy.
Jam is ordering.
Green stuffed screen. One order.
Look what they brought in. We know I'm tight again. Okay, just about all here. That's it. Only dessert missing. Stuffed squid. Asian meat, beef, and the cake. But there's dessert still. They brought the banana split and Bella was so crazy. She screamed, "Ice cream!" Yes. And she said, "Ice cream! Ice cream, hello? Ice cream?" Yeah, she loved it.
Whoa.
She must be thinking, this is not some test of Jollibee. Yeah, not died today again. Yum. Okay, go on date next week.
Yeah.
Monday. Just on a water diet, I think. Because I put on weight. I know I put on weight. My beautiful wife too. And she cute. Yum. Wow. All done. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.